Hi everyone. I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about building momentum. I feel that I am building momentum, which is a good feeling. And it's like I was having a little bit of difficulty starting to get going. Getting going. I'm a writer. I should know this, right? I was having difficulty a little while ago when I was trying to get going. Does that work? Okay. Anyway, the point is, um, it's when something, and it's true. I mean, I've said this a few times, but sometimes it hits home more than others. Um, it's true when something is not concrete for you, you're less likely to do it. Like the meaning of something is not as concrete, or it's a little bit like in the future or whatever. It's harder to keep yourself doing something when the results of it are going to be like a long time in the future. You know what I mean? Like delayed gratification, blah blah blah. But at some point it hits you that you better get the shit done. Right? And so you start doing it. And I am doing it. And it does feel so much better than worrying about it. And I'm not sure what happened with that switch or how I can help you if that's your issue right now. But it can be done. And I think it came for me with more pressure, not more stress. Just like, it's like when you only have a few things to do, you never get them done. But if you have a bunch of things to do, you better get them done, right? So I think that's kind of what's happening to me. But it's good. And it's taking from the 12-week plan, taking the idea of being great in this moment. See, I got to get back to this. I got thrown off a little, and I allowed myself to be thrown off, I think is more accurate, right? Because nothing threw me off. I allowed myself to get derailed. And that is totally fine. I just need to learn from it, right? And make myself even stronger and more productive in the future because of it. But yeah, the first video I did was about the idea of being great in the moment. And knowing that in the long term, like Olympic athletes, right? They're not great when they win their gold medal. They're great when they get up at 4 o'clock in the morning every day and go and do their sport or whatever it is for 4 hours before school or something like that every single day. You know, that's where the greatness lies, and that's what you got to keep in mind. So it's not like you have to wait to be great, right? You don't have to wait to be great. You can be great right now, because greatness is when you're doing what you need to do in the moment. And that can be every moment of every day if you want it to be. I don't know if I want it to be every moment of my day, of every day, but it's nice that it's a lot of moments now. I'm feeling more accomplished, and I can just, I guess, encourage you guys to remember the principle of being great in the moment, and that building momentum isn't doing one big thing. It's about doing a bunch of little things. And while I have been doing a bunch of little things, I've been doing more and more. And then it sort of just reaches a snowball, you know what I mean? And it just starts rolling and it gets bigger and bigger, and it's a good thing. So my encouragement to you today is just to do the little things that you need to do, and think of yourself as great for doing them. And that's it. Remember, you can always choose to have a grateful day.